Hello everyone. The initial reaction to the better than expected non-farm payrolls on Friday was pretty much as one might have expected. Dollar-yen soared, euro-dollar collapsed, and other pairs reacted less. The interesting point, though, was that an hour later, euro-dollar had recovered entirely, while dollar-yen was just moving sideways at its new elevated levels. U.S. service sector ISM and factory orders were weak, but they came out after the move and so couldn't be responsible, and in fact failed to dampen market sentiment as stocks gained and 10-year yields jumped 10 basis points, which shows a definite risk-on environment. It seems the risk-on equals sell dollars paradigm is still with us, or at least we haven't yet progressed to risk-on equals buy dollars, except with one noticeable exception, dollar-yen. Traders interested in expressing a fundamental view on the strength of the U.S. economy should be looking at that pair. Euro-dollar one-month volatility is now well below dollar-yen vol. Dollar-yen seems to be where the action is nowadays. Now, personally, I'm still fundamentally bearish on euro-dollar, though. The low level of Eurozone inflation is likely to be an increasing focus of ECB policy. Meanwhile, in the U.S., the debate over tapering off quantitative easing, which we had thought the FOMC statement had ended, is back on due to the improvement in the labor market, which is one of the preconditions for the Fed easing up. But technically, the trend for dollar-yen remains upwards, with resistance expected at the 131.80, 132, the figure area, where the top Bollinger Band level is. A breakout of that could lead towards 132.50. Later this week, watch out for speeches by 4 Fed officials on Thursday and Friday, though. That could turn things around. Today is a quiet day for indicators. There are no indicators out of the US, and the UK is on holiday, so that leaves only the Eurozone, where the only potentially market-moving data are the final PMI for services and the final composite PMI. This is Marshall Gittler, Global Head of FX Strategy at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.